Queen Lateefah. I said thank you. We are just getting started. Please get refreshed. A lot is going to be unboxing here. Thank you so much once again. My name is Victoria and I'm wearing CEO Lumini. Yes, you did a great job. I'm on a $2,000 dress. Yeah, I'll do with your keypad. I'll do with your keypad, okay? That's it. I'm right there in the mood, okay? Thank you once again. We're going to have a good time. That I can say to you. Please shout out to all of you. I love you so much. Thank you.
My partner who collaborated with me in the president of the CEO Cinemax, Mr. Uche Ogbodo. He made it seamless, and I had the best team that worked with us on the set. So it was a great one. Aside my emotions running to and fro, I don't think I had any, challenge. People to see for themselves. I want people to see for themselves.